What if skipping a hearing test isn't harmless, but actually putting your brain, your mood, and your safety at risk? Studies show that people with even mild hearing loss have about double the risk of developing dementia compared to those with normal hearing. With moderate hearing loss, the risk is around 3 times higher, and with severe hearing loss, it can be nearly 5 times higher. Untreated hearing loss is linked to increased risk of depression and social isolation. It's also listed as contributing to reduced safety and alertness when hearing isn't addressed. Don't wait until something's wrong. Book a hearing screening at hearrightcanada.ca or call 855-956-1101.